guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box for you. This one is for all of you comic book lovers out there. So the box is called Threads, and every month for £9.99, which translates to 12 something, at least currently in US dollars, but you know, somewhere around there, not too expensive. Every month you get sent a t-shirt, something like so, and a book or graphic novel. So they sent me this, well, they sent me 2 boxes the first month and it was the same shirt. So this is the shirt, not on a person. And you know, I'm wearing it. And basically you tell them what size you want. So they do have men's small to, I think it's 4XL, and then women's small to 2XL. And you can see it's a nice women's, you know, like baby tee style cut, which I like and I'm happy with. It's a cute, comfortable shirt. It's nice, you know, it's not too thick, definitely not thin. It's stretchy, you know, it feels like a decent quality shirt. It's not janktastic. And then you get a graphic novel. My first 2 boxes, I got these 2. This one is Batman Meets the Green Hornet, and then Resident Evil. So, and you can see these are like, you know, graphic novel more than comic book. They have, you know, it's like an actual book. It's not just the thin comic. I don't know, my words are failing me. This month's box, which I just picked up today, has a Full Metal Jacket shirt, and then the graphic novel is Suicide Squad. I'm actually excited to read this one. I'm a big Batman fan, so these 2 are really good. Resident Evil I have not read. I don't know anything about that. It's funny because my husband and my son are both immediately trying to steal these from me. I get to keep the shirts though. But like this one, the Full Metal Jacket, I saw the movie. Is there like a comic book series? I don't even know. I think this kind of thing is not necessarily for the die-hard comic fan, and if you're really specific or picky about which comics you like, this may not be the box for you. However, if you are somebody who is maybe just getting into graphic novels, you want to explore different ones and love to get, you know, surprised every month, you get a t-shirt, you love this sort of stuff, I think that this is a really fun box. Plus it's not super expensive. I think this would also be a great gift, you know, maybe for like teenagers or the nerdy 30-year-old, you know? So anyway, I think this is great. And I love that these are like, you know, full-on graphic novels. It's not just a small little comic book. These books alone are worth more than the price of the box, plus you get a cool t-shirt. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box so that you can check that out if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!